One of the most common ways of multiplying numbers is to use the column method of multiplication. See my other video on this for more information on how to do so. The method we're going to look at today is an alternative method referred to as the grid method. This splits our numbers up into their composite parts so that we can multiply them more easily. Let's start with our numbers that we will be multiplying together. We have 53 and 45. Now we can draw a grid. We begin by splitting the numbers up into their tens and then their units. So, for the number 53, we have a 50 and a 3, and for the number 45, we have a 40 and a 5. Now we have to multiply each number together. We will start with 50 multiplied by 40, which we could see as 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20, and then add the 0 from the 50 and the 0 from the 40. We will then multiply 50 by 5, which again we could see as 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25, and then add the 0 from the 50. Next, we multiply 3 by 40, which we could see as a 3 multiplied by 4, and then add the 0 from the 40. Lastly, we multiply the 3 by 5 to give us 15. Now that we've multiplied all of our numbers individually by each other, we need to add them up to get our final answer. Again, we can make it easier if we add them up column by column. In the units column, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, which gives us 5. In the tens column, we have 0 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, which gives us 8. In the hundreds column, we have 0 plus 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. And in the thousands column, we only have our 2. Now we have our final answer of 2,385. This method can take some time, but many people do find it quite easy to work with. The important thing with multiplication is to find a method that you're comfortable with. I hope this has helped and you now understand more about multiplication using the grid method.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.